Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to use Shop Cash on Shop app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly use the Shop Cash here that you can earn on the platform itself. Now the thing with Shop Cash here is you earn this. Now as long as you are or your account has or currently contains Shop Cash, you should be able to use it when you're checking out. Now, what you need to do is you just need to start adding items here. And at the bottom section of your screen, you should be able to see that card. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, click on continue to checkout. And on the checkout page, which in this case, you need to log in first here. But on the checkout page, if you do have enough Shop Cash here, it will appear as a payment method. So what you need to do is you just need to select Shop Cash as a payment method. And that should actually allow you to use it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So this one is pretty simple and you should be good. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.